Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And boy, oh boy, do we have a lot to go over in this video. Guys, we're going to go over some incredible deals. We're going to go over some glitches. We're going to go over some freebies. Make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. Make sure you have Shopkick downloaded, because we are going to have to use those to make our deals, the incredible deals that we're going to talk about. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video and you don't miss out on any of the deals, the glitches. You know, some of these are run deals, and this one right here, the first one I'm going to go over, is definitely a run deal. So you want to make sure you do not miss out on that. So guys, we're going to jump right into this deal. Make sure you are taking notes or screenshots or whatever, because I don't want you to mess this deal up at all. So the first deal that we're going to do is on this Caesar's cat food, the multi-pack, the 6 count. It doesn't matter what flavor you get. It just has to be the 6 count. Now, the store that we're doing these deals with are at Dollar General. So make sure you have your Dollar General app downloaded. In Dollar General, these particular dog foods are $8 a pack, okay? $8. That's what the store price is, the shelf price. But you want to go into your DG app and you want to clip these 2 digital offers. So the first one is a $5 digital coupon, okay, that says save $5 on any one Caesar's multi-pack. So that is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is where the glitch occurs, guys. They also have a $5 cashback offer, all right? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with this, there are not supposed to be active cash offer and manufacturer coupons in the DG app together. When you open up the app and you click those coupons, it strictly tells you you have to use either the digital coupon or the cashback offer. You can't use them both together. But guys, they are working together, and I'm going to show you how I know. When I purchased them, I showed you that I clipped them on my account. Now, when I go into my account now, they are not there. Both of them are gone. And I'm going to show you in my app. So here it is in my app, and when I scroll down, you see there's no coupons. The coupons are gone. So that means that I got both of the offers. And I'm going to show you on my receipt where they both applied. Okay. So here you have my receipt. There's the Caesar dog food for $8. There's the digital coupon for $5. You see the digital coupon came off and the cashback offer is missing out of my account. So within 48 hours, I should get back that $5 in cash on my DG account. Now, I want to thank Gma because she posted this deal. She said that a Dollar General employee told her about this deal and verified it. So I'm hoping that I get my $5 back. If I don't get my $5 back, I'm absolutely okay with that, because guess what, guys? This is still going to be a free deal, because all you have to do is make sure that you have your Shopkick app downloaded. There is an offer on Shopkick that is going to give you 765 kicks and scans. So you're going to get 15 kicks for scanning the product in the store. And then when you purchase it, you're going to get 750 kicks. When you add all of that up together, that's 765 kicks and scans, which equals $3.06. That means you're going to get $3.06 back from Shopkick for purchasing this dog food, and you're using the $5 off coupon. So with that alone, that means that this is a $6 moneymaker. But if you get the $5 back from the cash back, now this is a $5.06 moneymaker. So either way, you're going to make out good. So if I were you, I would run and do the deal. Doesn't matter what you get or what you don't get. You know that you're definitely going to get the $5 digital coupon off, and you're definitely going to get the Shopkick. So you know it's definitely going to be a freebie and a moneymaker. It's just a matter of how much of a freebie and moneymaker. So that's the first item that I got. Excellent, excellent deal. The second item I got is this CoverGirl, the CoverGirl powder, and this was $5.05, and you can get any shade. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you scan it in the app and make sure that it is $5.05. Then you're going to clip this $4 digital coupon in your DG app. And that means you're going to pay $1.05 at the register for some CoverGirl press powder. Guys, loose powder. Make sure it's the loose powder. The press powder is a totally different price and product. So it's the CoverGirl loose powder, and it's all different shades that you can get. But this will cost you $1.05. Guys, this is an excellent deal. The second item that I got were these CoverGirl eyeliners. It's the Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define Pencil Crayons. And those are $4.95. Again, you can get any color. You can get the black, the brown. I got the honey brown. But you're going to clip this $4 digital coupon in your DG app. So now you're only going to pay 95 cents for these pencils, eyebrow pencils. Again, excellent, excellent deal. Another deal that I did is I grabbed 4 of these Sheba cat food things, okay? Now, pay close attention to this deal, guys. So I got 4 of these, all right? And the reason I got 4 is because there is a coupon in the DG app that says when you buy 4, you get $1 off. They are $1.25 each. Is it $1.25? Hold on. What? They're $1.20 each. So when you buy 4, that's going to be $4.80. Clip the $1 digital coupon, and you're going to get that $1 off at the register. All right. Now, look, there's also a cash back offer. DG is glitching with these cash back offers and these digital coupons because just like I showed you with the Caesar deal, my DG app glitched with these Sheba cat foods because I'm going to show you the coupon and the cashback offer are both gone in my account. Here's the cat food. I'm going to scroll up. Look, no coupon, no cashback offer. So I'm going to show you also on my receipt that it did come off. Okay, there you see the Sheba salmon pate, $4.80. And there you see the $1 digital coupon. It did come off. So in 48 hours, I should be getting my $1 back from DG for my cash back offer. Now, that's the first glitch with this. This deal is actually a double glitch because on Ibotta, there is an offer where you can get another $1 back. Now, the thing about this is it says on the offer that it has to be 2.6 ounces only. Here's the offer, okay? There's the Sheba. It says the Sheba Perfect Portions, okay? And these are perfect portions, all right? Wet cat food, 2.6 ounce only. This says 1.32 ounce. But guys, let me show you something. When I scan the barcode for this, look, it says it matches. Let me do it again so you guys can see. Look, barcode matches. I don't know why it keeps going away. I want to show it to you guys. There you go. Barcode matches, right? So, I didn't get my cash back. My rebate, I bought a rebate for this, and I'm not sure why, because it doesn't say I can't use a coupon. See, it says offer must be added to your list to get cash back. So I did send an email to Ibotta to get my dollar back. So I should be getting that back, all right? But even if I don't, it's still a good deal, because 4 of those come to $4.80. I'm going to get the dollar cash back from Dollar General, and then my dollar digital coupon, that's $2. So that means 4 of these would cost $2.80. But when I get the dollar back from Ibotta, then that would be $3 off. So that means 4 of these would cost me $1.80. Guys, that's an excellent, excellent deal. So let's go over the last item that I got, which was this, the Sheba Pate multi-pack. It is the 6 twin packs. Now, these are $7.50 at the store. Look in your DG app and clip that $4 digital coupon. That will bring these down to $3.50. There's no cashback offer for these, but that's perfectly okay, guys, because guess what? There is an Ibotta rebate for them. And you can use that rebate because it does not say you can't use a coupon with it. So here's the Ibotta rebate. The Ibotta rebate is for $4. And you see right there, it just says offer. Oh, come on. Let's see. Hold on, guys. I'm just waiting. I just want you to be able to read that. Offer must be added to your list. It doesn't say anything about you can't use it with a coupon. And I did get my $4 back for that. So basically, this was a 50-cent moneymaker. And I'm going to show you guys that I got my $4 back. So here you see, I got my $4 back for the Sheba. So that was a 50-cent moneymaker. That 50 cents helped pay for this, okay? So here's my receipt. I'm just going to go over everything with you. Here's my receipt. There you see the CoverGirl powder for $5.05. The $4 digital came off of that. The CoverGirl eyebrow pencils were $4.95. The $4 digital came off of that. The Sheba, I got 4 of those for $4.80. The dollar digital came off. Then you have the Sheba Pate for $7.50. The $4 digital came off of that. And then the Caesars for $8 and the $5 digital came off of that. My subtotal was $12.30. But remember, I got back the $4 from Ibotta. Okay, and we're expecting another $1 from Ibotta. Then I also got back the $3.06 from Shopkick. I will show you. Here's that. Okay. I got back a total of $8.06 from all of my rebates and from Ibotta. And when you minus that from the $12 and 60 cents, then that means that was $4.54 out of pocket. But I'm going to get back the $5 for the cash back and the $1 for the cash back. That brings us to a $1.46 moneymaker. Guys, that is an excellent deal. So go out. Let me know how you make out. Let me know what you decide to get. Let me know if you still have those coupons available in your DG app. And make sure that you download ShopKick. Make sure, look, I'm dropping things like always. Make sure you download ShopKick and Ibotta. And go ahead and get your free cat food, your free makeup. And until the next time, keep on saving.